Leo, are you okay? Somebody call an ambulance! Now!
Leo, honey, I have amazing news. Your teacher messaged me last night.
Is it about the test?
Yes, another straight A in math. I knew you could do it.
That's my boy. See? Those extra Saturday classes are finally paying off.
I worked really hard, Dad.
Hard work is the only way to the top, Leo. Proud of you.
Okay, let's look at your schedule for today. It's a big day.
What is it today, Mom?
You have your coding class at 4 p.m. and then swimming at 6.
Swimming right after coding? Can I? Maybe take a break today?
Oh, you'll have fun once you're in the water. It's good to stay active.
Plus, swimming builds character. No excuses, champ.
Wait! Don't move! The light is perfect right now.
Mom, not again. We're gonna be late.
Just one photo for my followers. Everyone is waiting for an update on the genius Leo.
Come on, Leo. Give your mom a big, winning smile.
Perfect! So proud of my boy. Straight A in math. Hard work pays off.
Leo? Can we play hide and seek when you get home? I don't think so, Mia. I have too much to do. You're always too busy. You're like a businessman, not a brother.
Wow, 10 likes in 30 seconds. People love you, Leo.
Glad they're happy, Mom.
That's the spirit. Let's go win the day. Wow, Leo's grades are amazing. Our plan is working.
I know. Everyone on Facebook is asking how we raise such a smart kid.
It's all about the right schedule. He has a great future ahead.
Look at this video, Jack. Sarah's son is playing the violin. He looks so professional.
Violin? That's a great skill. It helps the brain grow.
Exactly. I think Leo should learn it too.
Hey, Leo, what do you think about the violin?
But Dad, I already have coding and swimming.
Violin is different, Leo. It's for art. You need to be a complete student.
I found a teacher nearby. She is free on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Those are my only free days, Mom. I usually play with Mia then.
But honey, we want people to see how talented you are. Don't you want to make us proud?
Yes, Mom. I want to make you proud.
Good boy. That's what I like to hear.
Perfect. Tuesday and Thursday, violin. Our champion is getting better and better.
Does the violin make a loud noise, Leo? I think so, Mia. Can we still draw pictures together? Maybe, if I finish my music homework.
We are doing the best for him, Lily.
I can't wait to post about his first lesson.
I'm just so tired.
What was that, Leo?
Nothing, Dad. I'm gonna sleep now.
Excellent, Leo. Your code is 100% correct. You are the best in the class.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Now, start the next project. It's harder, but I know you can do it.
Yes. I can do it.
Faster, Leo. 2 more laps. Don't stop. Great timing. You are a machine. Go again in 30 seconds.
Can I rest for a minute, Coach?
Champions don't rest, Leo. Your parents want you to be the best. Go!
No, Leo, the note is wrong. Again, from the beginning.
I'm sorry. My fingers hurt a little.
Your mother said you want to be a professional. Keep going. One more hour.
Only 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes for me.
Leo? Why is your light still on? You have a big test tomorrow.
Sorry, Mom. Turning it off now.
Whoa! Leo, you're a secret artist.
Why is he hiding this?
Mia, careful. I'm trying to post Leo's new certificate.
But Mom, look. This is what Leo actually does when you aren't looking.
Soccer? Since when does he care about soccer?
Jack, look at this one. It's us at the park.
Wait, we're just sitting there, looking at him.
No phones, Jack. He drew us just looking at him.
In his drawings, you're always watching him play. You're not watching the screen.
I wish Mom and Dad could see me score a goal just once.
We were right there, Lily. We were in the same room, but we weren't really there.
Maybe because he's too busy being your champion, Mom. I thought he was happy. I thought I was sharing his happiness.
We didn't even know him, Lily. We were so proud of the A's that we never looked at his face.
I kept posting how happy he was. But I was only looking at him through a screen.
Is Leo sad because he's tired, Dad?
No, Mia. He's sad because he's been lonely, even when we were standing right next to him. Leo, please come to the board and solve this problem.
Yes, Mr. Smith. I can do it.
Leo, are you okay? Somebody call an ambulance! Now!
Mom, why is Leo sleeping there?
He is very tired, Mia. It is all my fault.
Look, Lily. He just wanted us to look at him.
No more phones, Jack. We almost lost him.
Leo, you woke up.
I am so sorry, Leo. We love you so much.
We saw your drawings, Leo. You are a truly great artist.
Are you mad about the soccer pictures?
No, Leo. We want you to play soccer and draw every day.
For real? I don't have to be a champion anymore?
To us, you are already a champion, just by being yourself.
And you can play hide and seek with me every day.
I'm gonna get you, Leo! Watch out!
Not today, Dad. You're too slow. Mom, did you see that shot?
I saw every second of it. That was incredible, honey.
Lily, you didn't record that? It was a perfect goal.
No. I don't want to see him through a screen anymore. I just want to be here.
My turn. No more robot Leo. Now we have soccer Leo. I'm tired, but I've never felt this happy.
Me too, son. This is much better than a math trophy.
Can we come back next Saturday? No violin?
Every Saturday. No phones, no schedules, just us.
This one is for you. It's a real memory.
We learned a big lesson today. Family is about listening, not just getting high grades.
I agree, Jack. Now, here's a quick question for you. At the beginning of the story, what class did Leo have at 4 p.m.? A, music, B, math, C, coding.
Comment your answer below. It is the best way to practice your English. Also, where are you watching from? What is your city or country?
It is amazing to see people from all over the world learning together. We are a big family here.
Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please like and subscribe our channel to support us. Did you notice when Jack said "be enough" in English? This means that all your hard work is finally giving you a good result. Keep practicing every day and you will see amazing results. See you in our next English adventure. Bye for now.